Okay, dear students, so in this we are going to prove that converse of Pythagoras. As we have completed the Pythagoras theorem or Bodhayan theorem, we are going to learn opposite of it, and this is given under the theorem 6.9 of your textbook, right? Just see the statement what is given. In a triangle is given. In a triangle, if the square of one side is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is equal to right angle. What we need to do, what we are going to prove, in a triangle, if the square of one side is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is right angle we are going to prove. So dear friends, so first we need to write down what is given and what is we are going to prove in this. Okay, so the given thing is given that in triangle ABC is given, in which square of one side means AC square is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, means AB square plus BC square. This is given. In this triangle, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is given. What we are going to prove? We need to prove that. To prove, क्या prove करना है हमें? That the angle opposite to the first side, this first side is AC, and opposite angle of AC is angle B, means this angle B we are going to prove 90 degree. Therefore angle B is equals to 90 degree हम इसको प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं, राइट? अब फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये पता लग गया कि हमें इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है हमारे पास और हमें प्रूव क्या करना है, राइट? So to prove this converse of Pythagoras, we need to do few construction. इसको प्रूव करने के लिए हमें कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन करने होंगे. So we are going to draw a right triangle. एक right triangle कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे, in which we are going to draw a right triangle means triangle PQR such that this triangle PQR is a right triangle. It is a right triangle. Right triangle लेते हैं. एक right triangle हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे to prove this theorem. And how to draw this right triangle? किस टाइप से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं ये ट्रायंगल PQR? दिस यू जस्ट सी, दिस इज PQR triangle. It is a right triangle at point Q such that measure of this PQ is equals to measure of AB and measure of BC is equals to measure of QR, right? So we need to write step construction. Okay, so in the construction, we are writing the thing. Why इस कंस्ट्रक्शन की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी? इस थ्योरम को प्रूव करने के लिए हमें ये कंस्ट्रक्शन करना पड़ रहा है. क्या? In the construction, draw a right triangle PQR, right triangle PQR, in which angle Q is equals to 90 degree. Measure angle Q is equals to 90 degree and AB is equals to PQ मेजर ऑफ ए बी, इस ट्रायंगल का जो मेजर ए बी का मेजर था, सेम मेजर का हम पी क्यू ड्रॉ करेंगे। एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज बी सी इज इक्वल्स टू क्यू आर, बी सी इज इक्वल्स टू क्यू आर, राइट। तो कंस्ट्रक्शन किस टाइप से किया आपने? पहले आपने एक राइट ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर ड्रॉ किया जिसका एंगल क्यू 90 डिग्री है, और इसका ये साइड पी क्यू इसके इस गिवन ट्रायंगल के ए बी के इक्वल है, एंड दिस क्यू आर इज इक्वल्स टू बी सी। कोई प्रॉब्लम फ्रेंड्स? कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो प्लीज़ क्वेश्चन राइज कीजिएगा। सो अभी हम क्या करते हैं? नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट प्रूविंग दिस थ्योरम। ओके, सो टू प्रूव दिस थ्योरम, स्टार्ट इट अंडर द हेडिंग प्रूफ। Right? So let us start proving. As in the question, the thing which is given in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what is given? Given that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, right? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, it is given in this triangle. Okay, as it is given, so कोई problem नहीं, as it is given, so you need to write down here given, it is given in the question, तो हमने लिख दिया। Now अभी AB के इक्वल हमने क्या कंस्ट्रक्ट किया? AB is equals to PQ, we have constructed that AB is equals to PQ of that triangle, इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लेते हैं। Means at the place of AB we can write, what we can write? We can write that PQ. At the place of AC we can write PQ. So it will be PQ square. And at the place of BC you can write QR as you have constructed. So this BC can be written as QR, right? Reason you can write, since AB is equals to PQ and BC is equals to QR, as in the construction you have done. Now you know that it is a right triangle, ये एक right triangle है, so Pythagoras theorem you can apply in this, you can apply. So Pythagoras theorem, what tells on this right triangle? This PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. So since, say this is equation number 1, since triangle PQR is a right triangle, therefore by Pythagoras theorem PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square by theorem 6.8. Okay, now this PQ square plus QR square can be written as PR square. Say this is equation number 2. So from first and second equation, what we are getting? From equation first and second, from equation first and second, we get, what we are getting? This AC square is equals to PR square. AC square is equals to PR square. क्यों? क्योंकि इस PQ square plus QR square की वैल्यू इस सेकेंड इक्वेशन से PR square है. Now removing square, so we will get AC is equals to PR. AC is equals to PR means इस ट्रायंगल का ये साइड AC इस ट्रायंगल के हाइपोटेनस PR के इक्वल आने लगा. आया कि नहीं? इफ AC इज इक्वल्स टू PR, अभी ये तो आपने प्रूव कर दिया. नाउ लेट अस से दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3. इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3, राइट. अभी हम क्या करते हैं, इन दोनों ट्रायंगल को कंपेयर करते हैं. So in triangle ABC and PQR, okay, so in triangle ABC एंड ट्रायंगल PQR दोनों कंपेयर करते हैं, राइट। सो AB इज इक्वल्स टू PQ बाई कंस्ट्रक्शन, आपने इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया बाई कंस्ट्रक्शन, ओके। BC इज इक्वल्स टू QR, ये भी आपने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, एंड AC इज इक्वल्स टू PR, ये फ्रॉम इक्वेशन थर्ड, राइट। सो ऑल द करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर इक्वल ऑफ बोथ द ट्रायंगल. AB is equals to PQ by construction, BC is equals to QR by construction and AC is equals to PR, जो कि आपने प्रूव अभी किया. So if all the sides are equal of both the triangle, corresponding sides are equal, so both the triangles are said to be congruent by side congruency rule. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to, you need to write the correspondence part, right, is congruent to triangle PQ and R. AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR. Reason by side congruency. Okay, by side congruency, where you have read in your previous class 9th, आप इसको पढ़ चुके हो, ठीक है ना. चलो, now they are congruent, it means their corresponding angles will be equal. Angle A is equals to angle B, angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q we have here. Angle B is equals to angle Q. So therefore measure angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? By CPCT, means it is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. It is corresponding part of congruent triangle, and you have constructed angle Q is equals to 90 degree. Draw triangle PQR, angle Q is equals to 90. So therefore angle B is equals to 90, since angle Q is equals to 90, right. So we have proved our result. हमने अपना result prove कर दिया. क्या prove किया? This the opposite angle of the first side is 90 degree. This side, opposite angle of this side AC is 90 degree. This we proved right now. Okay, so this is proved, friends. See it properly. If any confusion still, revise it easily, you can understood. Okay friends, so what you have done, the concept, किस तरह आपने इसको प्रूव किया, क्या कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई किया, कौन सा थ्योरम है, कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, इसको थोड़ा सा प्रूव करने के लिए थोड़ा कन्वर्स कंस्ट्रक्शन आपको करना पड़ा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू learn it and prove, revise it properly.